Everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today is that Boxycharm day, y'all, still in the same thing, because I got them both at the same time. How about that? But we will be opening our Boxycharm Premium Box. Yes. Okay. And for those of you who are not familiar, you know I got you, okay? And I'm going to leave all the information down below. So if you want to become a part of the Boxycharm family, you can do just that, okay? Now, let's just jump in and see what came in this month's box. All right. And of course we know it's premium because it's blue. Now, once again, our theme for the month is Fresh Start. Okay. And the first item that we have, all right, it's actually this product right here. But I'm going to save this till last, only because now I'm putting two and two together. I received some information, so we'll share that in a minute. This will be the last one we talk about. So the first item that I have is by Lashes MD, and this is a lash serum that promotes fuller, stronger, and healthier eyelashes and brows. Our signature eyelash conditioner nourishing formula is specifically designed to help eyelash growth and support strong lashes. Apply this eyelash enhancer once a day, encouraging longer and healthier lashes. Manufacturer's suggested retail price for this product that Better Work Miracles is $89.95. Yes, this Better Work Miracles. Okay, and this is a 4 milliliter or 0.135 fluid ounce size. Okay, this is what the packaging looks like. Okay. Made in the USA. Interesting. Alrighty. I don't know what to say. I'm just telling you the truth. I don't know what to say. I do not know what ingredient is inside of this that promotes the claims that are here, but we're going to be checking this out because y'all already know how I am when it comes down to the lashes. I'm looking at mine right now. They still need some help, but nonetheless. So we'll be checking that out. That is item number 1. And then item number 2 is by Fenty Beauty. All right, and this is the Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara, and it says designed to deliver Rihanna's full lash look. Full Frontal's lightweight ultra black formula was specifically paired with an exclusive flat to fat brush. The fat side holds max product to quickly load and lift lashes. The flat side defines and curls, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $24. And this is a 0.42 fluid ounce size or 12.5 mLs. Okay, now I already know we won't be opening mascara because y'all know how we do. Oh, the packaging is beautiful though. But mascara has a shelf life and it's not usually very long. So Yeah, see, this one says the shelf life is 6 months. So I don't want to open it until I'm ready to use it because I certainly don't want to waste the product. And as it says, the shade is black. Okay? Ultra black. All right, so that's item number 2. Then the next one is another Fenty product, and this one I chose. Wow, imagine that. I actually got what I chose. Whew, okay, I'm feeling some kind of way, y'all. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. Rihanna was obsessed with creating a setting powder that won't flash back. So Pro Filter was born in 8 versatile shades to melt into your unique skin tone, letting you set, perfect, and brighten without a trace. It works all day to blur the look of pores, fine lines, and imperfections. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $32. The shade that I did get is Hazelnut, okay? This is what it looks like on the box. And this is what the package itself looks like. Beautiful, as usual with Fenty products. Okay, and of course, now, be careful not to throw yours away. There is a little something in the top of the box, okay? You have a sifter right here, okay? Alrighty then, and that one is item number 3. The next item that we have is PMD Beauty, and it's the Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. Get back to your pure self with Silver Pure. Remove makeup and wash your skin with the antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $30. It says this has 1 silver infused microfiber makeup removing cloth, antibacterial, ultra soft, and reusable. Oh, that's a nice size. And it is very, very soft. 100% polyester. Now, do not immediately pop this out of your box and use it, okay? Do not do that. Do not do that. Now, right on the back, it says wash the cloth before the first use, okay? Make sure that you wash it before your first use. And it says dampen cloth with warm water and gently wipe off makeup. Rinse cloth, machine wash as needed. Now, the only thing is it does not tell us just how many uses out of this you can get, although I'm going to say it's different for everybody because some people wear more makeup than others, you know, or more often. So, but most importantly, make sure you wash it before your first use, okay? So then the next item we have is by Oprah Cosmetics, and it's the Good to Go Mini Mix Palette, okay? Now this says, manifest good to glow looks every time in this mini full face palette of warm shimmers and fresh neutrals featuring Oprah's best-selling highlighter. All of the lights. This lightweight, magnetic, and interchangeable palette is the perfect add-on to pop in your makeup bag. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $39. Now, oh yes, this is gorgeous, right up my alley. It says, Smile, you're beautiful. Okay, now these shades, I'm here for it. I am so here for it. Now, here are all of the shades, the highlighter, beautiful palette, okay? On the back, it gives you, I love this, it gives you all the information about all the shades that are included. Let's do it this way. This highlighter, as it says, is all of the lights. This one up here, this shade is ready. This one is goals. This one is current, okay? Across the top, we have fresh, reset, and clean slate. Then we have ambition and intentions, okay? Now, let me tell you something. These can be used for a few things. All right, I'm excited to try this when it's time for us to do our review and first impression. But I will go ahead and let's swatch here. And might as well go right next to it here. This is what it looks like. And woohoo! Look at that. Okay. So there we go. Now, as I stated in the beginning, I wanted to save this product for last. I'll get to the reason why in just a moment. Okay, it says, life's turbulence means we can all get that lag, leaving skin stressed, tired, and thirsty. Used as a nightly mask, daytime moisturizer, or in-flight lifesaver, this multitasker's nourishing vitamins, ceramides, and antioxidants leave skin instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $48. Okay, this is a 2.25 fluid ounce size, and this is what the packaging actually looks like. Okay, it says Summer Fridays right across. Now, it says upgrade your skin to a business class complexion, no matter what time your red eye gets in or what time your head hits the pillow. All right. Now, it says for use on cleansed dry skin, apply a thin, even layer with fingertips. May be used under and over the eye area. Leave for 10 minutes for maximum hydration. Blot with a warm cloth if necessary. No need to rinse. Okay, now, why did I tell you I wanted to do this last? Well, I'm pulling out my tablet. I received an email before I got my package. And it said, hello, Charmer. We are writing to share an important message from one of our brand partners, Summer Fridays. And it gave us the official statement, okay, which I'm going to read to you. It's a little crazy. Makes you feel some kind of way when a product comes with a warning. But it says, we at Summer Fridays are carefully monitoring recent community feedback citing temporary redness and irritation experienced by some customers when using jet lag mask. We deeply regret any discomfort or inconvenience caused by this issue and are confident that the use of this product does not pose a threat to the health and safety of our customers. We have worked with our manufacturer, testing laboratories, and an independent chemist to conduct a thorough investigation into the cause and have determined that certain product batches at our third-party manufacturing site were compromised. To address this issue, we have implemented the following steps. Oh boy. We have established new, more stringent manufacturing protocols using OTC level guidelines to ensure each step in the manufacturing process is carefully monitored and checked for full compliance and adherence to our high standards. We are developing a minor reformulation, including removal of essential oils, that will serve to mitigate any future potential for irritation, while still delivering the results you look for in jet lag mask. While the number of reports that we have received regarding jet lag masks represents a small percentage of users, we want to operate with an abundance of caution. It's our recommendation that you patch test the product received in your Boxycharm box on your jawline or behind your ear prior to using. It is normal to experience a cooling sensation when applied, but if you experience an unexpected reaction, please rinse off and discontinue use. If you have any further questions or need further assistance, just reach out to Boxycharm and they'll be there to assist. Okay, now I appreciate the statement and the sentiments. I really do. However, if this kind of gave me pause for concern, and I'm not usually one to delve into. I apologize for the noise. It was a little warm today, so I opened the door of my office. But they determined that certain production batches at their third-party manufacturing site were compromised. Okay, now, if it's something at the manufacturer, why are you telling us you've changed your formulation? Maybe we weren't supposed to recognize that. Come on, y'all. I'm sorry, I am over the top about my skin. If you've ever had to go through anything with your skin, you like read between the lines. And for me, I have a challenge with this. So I choose to not even open this. I'm just telling you, I'm not going to open this because I have a challenge with it. So if it was compromised at the manufacturing level, why are you reformulating? I'm just saying this. My challenge is, which one is it? Is it your formulation or was it your facility? I just wanted to make sure I let you know. Y'all know I am always going to be straightforward with you. All right. Well, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. I hope I have shared some information with you that you may not have known before. I've shared some products with you that you may not have known about. Okay. Now, these are the items that are included in our January Boxycharm Premium. Down below, you will find the manufacturer suggested retail price for all of the products included in this month's box. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.